Picture this. It's late. The day has been long, and the two of you sink into the cabin. You know each other's face, jobs, coffee order, but you haven't explored the map of touch tonight. So you decide, let's try a tiny experiment. No goals, only curiosity. This is a story about biology. And as you caressing and how simple science can make touch feel alive, you ask your partner to close their eyes. They nod. You start at the forearm, palm warm, fingers soft. Stroke slowly, about the speed of a small child tracing a line, roughly 3 centimeters a second. Notice the small change. The shoulders drop, breath deepens, a tiny smile. That little reaction is biology lighting up. Your skin is a library of sensors. Some sense pressure, some sense vibration, some sense temperature. And there's special nerve fibers, C-tactile fibers, that love the slow, gentle stroke. They don't shout, they whisper. They send messages to the brain, areas that say, this is pleasant, safe, close. That whisper sparks oxytocin, a bonding chemical, lowers stress hormones, and nudges dopamine, the brain's small reward system. In seconds, touch becomes trust. In primates, grooming held groups together. Humans turn grooming into caressing. The same pathways that helped our ancestors survive now help you pause the day and connect. The trick is in timing and contrast. Long, slow strokes soothe, short, firmer touches awaken. Temperature matters. Warm palms versus a cool fingertip wake different sensor. Textures tell stories. Silk, skin, a feather. Rhythm builds anticipation. Silence magnifies feeling. Try this playful experiment tonight. Blindfold your partner, ask for 2 minutes of silence, and map their body by touch. Shoulder, neck, earlobe, inner rib, lower back, the soft curve behind the knee. Listen to micro reaction of breath. A blink, a shift. Those microsignals teach you what pleases them. Swap roles. Make notes, laugh, and keep consent in front. Ask if it's okay to explore. Pause if anything feels off. Here's a science-backed secret. The best caresses are not always at the fastest speed. A stroke that is too quick or too hard can trigger touch sensors that warn instead of soothe. Slow, deliberate motion activates the C-tactile system and the insula, the part of the brain that says, ah, safe and good. Add pauses, create anticipation, and double the pleasure when you start again. Mix it up. Try breath sync. Match your breathing for a minute. Try temperature play. Warm your hands, then cool them. Try pressure play. A feather-light run, then a firm, grounding palm. Explore non-sexual zone scale. Behind ears, because pleasure lives outside the obvious place. Constitution. Every experiment is data. Every response is a clue. Biology is not cold here. It is curious, generous, and quietly erotic. When you learn the language of touch, the speed, the textures, the pauses, you turn a simple caress into a conversation. Tonight, be a scientist of tenderness. Take notes with your hands, read the responses, and remember, consent, curiosity, and play make the best discovery.